Welcome back. So I think we have seen in previous sessions PO creation from A system to B system, from B system to send order acknowledgement to system A. That means sales order created and confirmation. And your delivery we have seen previous. Now last but not least, billing and invoice output from B system to A system. Okay, outbound. Let's try to check this one. So I think we have created, this is the delivery previously. Let me try to do PZA. Okay, some dump is coming. Let me try to fix this. Then I will create an invoice. Add on PZA. Let's try to check this one. Okay, for billing output. Now let's try to go to header. And here output you can see. See, we have FD000. This is what I have configured for EDA. Let's save this. Now let's try to go to VF03, press enter, header, and go to output. Now let's try to check this idoc. Now let's create this. Previously we don't have invoice, right? This is the idoc. You can see it is got successful. Now you can able to see from our system invoice and information went outside. Okay. So probably you can able to try to check the segments. Okay, this is the Bellner. So let's go to /4 VF03, press enter. Let me show you this one. This is the billing document number. Okay. Let me share this. You can able to see same billing document number. Okay. You can able to see other segments. So these many segments are there. In real time, you don't require all segments so that we can able to restrict with the help of the above. Okay. So even we can also do it, but if the extension, we cannot able to do it. So if you want to learn this one fully, okay, this is the course. Like, you have 5 scenarios. Actually, previously I thought about 3 scenarios. So it took some time to find a time to update this one. Totally 5 scenarios. One is purchase information sent from one system to another system. And second one is sending purchase information that should be converted into the target system as a sales order. Once converted from target system to source system, order acknowledgement, 3 scenario. So under delivery notification from target system to source system, and your billing information sent to your customer. This is what 5 scenarios, total 5 scenarios it will cover. This is sufficient for your initial understanding in real time to have that confidence. Actually, probably if I know something, I will try to add. So getting master to write functional specification with RISEF, you do these 2 courses, definitely it will give an edge. Okay. And if you really want to learn the depth of SD, 95 hours successfully, 100 reviews today, finished 4.2. And these are the pricing courses, around 21 hours are there. If you wanted to get expertise in your standard itself, if you already done course at outside, you try this course. It is very, very good actually. And this is for rebates, and this is for FSCM management. See, you just have to give the extra edge when you have some kind of experience on your job trials. Better do all these courses. Okay, FSCM credit management and business partners, they would like to check you how good at your knowledge actually for S4 HANA. If you don't have experience also, the market is dynamically changing. Be careful, my friends. Okay. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. I think you have seen all these 5 scenarios. With this, I can close this session. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Jai Hind.